So just join me on I think this is going to be a small little walk. We've just left Veronica's, which is just behind this restaurant here, and I've done a morning walk all the way from behind here all the way around. And so you pretty much hit Los Cristianos and finished. I did another morning walk all the way down, all the way back to the end of Veronica's there. So that's an hour's worth of walks, both back street and coastal. And there's a bunch of bars, restaurants here, so I'm just gonna have a little mooch through here. So I've just done a little walk through of Veronica's as well, but I've not been down this bit of town before, so why not come and check it out? Have a quick walk around with me, see what's here. Big sports bar going on here, and we'll just walk down, have a mooch round on this kind of like, it's not the back road, it's not the coast road, it's kind of like an in-between road, I suppose. We've got lots of sports stuff going on here today. Time of filming, we are in the middle of July 2025. It's around about 12:30 in the afternoon, so folk are just coming out from the hotels now, coming out for a mooch round. Coming out for a bit of lunch maybe, or just waking up, depending on what you were doing last night. Let's just have a walk through, eh? Hello.
YouTube.
Hello.
Hello.
YouTube. TikTok. We've got your genuine fake t-shirts here. Got some I Love Ibiza stuff going on. I Love Tenerife stuff going on. Not I Love Ibiza. I was there last week. I'm getting confused. I Love Tenerife stuff going on. These places will be absolutely buzzing in the evening. Nice and chill now though. And we've got that lovely kind of like sea breeze happening here, so it's quite pleasant just to come out at this time. You leave it till about 2 o'clock in the afternoon and the heat just gets insane, it's bouncing. It doesn't go dark till about 9:30. We got more bars running up here. Just watching both sides of the road. More bars and restaurants running up this side. All the way up here. I'm not walking up, I'm just going to follow this road down here at the front. No. Started partying at 11. Just across here we've got a selection of shops, bars, restaurants, etc. as well.
Sin gastarnos mucho, porque no tenemos mucho dinero.
Like I say, everywhere's kind of chill at the moment. It's kind of like a lot of people are still in bed. A lot of people are just getting up. Just listening to a couple talking over there. Didn't go back till 6 o'clock this morning. I feel a bit tired now. I think I go to bed. Copper tiger. Yeah, more stuff going on over there. Let's wander over this side, shall we now? Let's mix it up. Look at that, super breakfast, €6. Small breakfast, £4.90. Bargain, absolute bargain. More happening over here. Some more shops down that side. Let's carry on down here. It's bigger than what you think, this place. Shops on this side. Wish I'd put my gimbal up now. I didn't think I'd be walking this far. Let's have a boot today, shall we? What's going on here? Hotel. Oh, we'll come back to that. Go and do some shops first. Drunken Duck Pub. Straight down to the beach down there. Just keep on here for a minute. Sugar and spice. And what's this over here? City Centre Commercial. Let's have a mooch through here, shall we? See what's going on. I didn't think this walk was going to be this big. I thought, oh, just a few bars and restaurants, I'll just show that. Oh, wow, it just goes on and on and on and on and on. So I'll just whiz you around here so you can have a nose to see what's happening. Not all these are open yet. Yet again, daytime innit. Evening, this place is probably buzzing again. You got shops and stuff going on up there. Both sides. I think it's more commercial than tourist up there. Okay, so I think I'll leave that there. If you like this kind of content, why not give me a thumbs up? It's free. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff, why not subscribe? That's completely free. Only 3% of my viewers do actually subscribe, which is I'm trying to get up to at least 5%. So I would appreciate it to support my little channel, help it grow. Heading towards 10,000 subscribers now, so quite excited about that. And yeah, if you know anyone who's coming to this area and would appreciate this kind of content, I've made quite a playlist. It's going to be about 25 videos all around this kind of area in Tenerife. Why not share the link of one of the videos, pass it to a friend, it might benefit them. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.